welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Of course, another Camaro has come our way. 1967 Chevy Camaro Hardtop Pro Resto Mod. Of course, you can see this thing is not just your average driver, not your average granny car, but a true performance machine. Going into the one we have here featuring a very nice red exterior. As you do see, it does have some nice, very interesting, I should say, carbon fiber stripes coming from the front to the back. Of course, this thing does have a lot of horsepower, so we are trying to take it a little easy. As you can see, it does not have your regular old school hood pins, but your push button lock-in pins. Being an RS hideaway headlight car, it does have the spoiler on the lower front end, has a spoiler in the back. Of course, you can see it has been carbonated as well, having the limited edition style American racing wheels, having the very nice red line tires to really blend in with the color combination. But as we move on to the inside, you can see our gauges have been replaced with the Phantom style. Very more accurate, very more performance. Of course, as you see, everything is working as it should be. We got that nice Muncie 4-speed there, along with a customized console leading up to our 2-knob custom audio sound radio, along with their aftermarket tilt column for your bigger drivers such as myself. Upgrade performance wheel, very cool if I do say so myself. But of course, even in general, there is still a few of its little original qualities, such as the RS door panels, visors, headliner, even the back seat. But of course, being a vehicle like this is not about just what you see, but how it performs. Which leads us to underneath the hood being a 496 built motor. As we do have a binder included with the pictures, you will see how this car was built together. And of course, being over 100 grand restored into this car, this thing is mean. Mini tub, especially the way they did the exhaust, this is the kind of car that you're not going to want to fool around in, which we can open up right now. Of course, during our walk around video, I personally smelled racing fuel coming out of the exhaust, which means that this thing is powerful. It is not going to take your regular E85, E87, none of that ethanol-free crap, but the true performance of American fuel. This car is built to drive, handles very well. Even with the suspension underneath, you will see that it has upgraded control arms, upgraded suspension, and especially in the coilovers front and rear, if I'm not mistaken. But this thing is no joke. But as for now, though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.